This was my dad's axe, and it was his dad's axe. It was my Papa Farron's axe as well. I think it's a red diamond. Yep. Red diamond. I don't know if I'm even showing you. There you go. Maybe you can see it there. Red diamond. It was beat all up. I spent quite a lot of time, several hours of sharpening and sanding, and redid the handle, made a leather scabbard or whatever with it. First time I've done any leather work, that's probably obvious. Made a little girdle here for the neck. Anyway, I noticed that it has a couple gashes in it. Not gashes, nicks. I exaggerate. They're very minute, but I can see them, and that's a problem. So I'm going to start out with some 60 grit, go to 80, 220, 400, and then 1,000, and then I may go at 2,000, or I see I have a 3,000 that I may go up to. But anyway, a lot of hours doing it. But first of all, I'm going to start out with a file and see if I can reestablish this edge here. Yeah, there's the bad place right there. That's a pretty good nick. I do not remember doing that, but I must have been the guilty party. That's going to take several minutes to work this out. You know, I've had my channel now for like 3 months, and I'm a little disappointed. I just expected that just out of the wild blue, more people would view it. Now my posts, some of them have not been great. Matter of fact, none of them have been great. But I'm trying to improve on them. That's the reason that this is the first video that I will have done with an external mic. So I'm excited about that. Has like a 10 foot long cord. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. But yeah, trying to just kind of basically show my life a little bit. My life apparently is pretty boring for people. So, but I love to fish. I love to garden. I love the hummingbirds. I love music. Music is a gigantic part of my life. I mean, very gigantic. I've told you guys, if you've watched one of my earlier videos, I explained how music saved my life. It's titled How the Avett Brothers and Their Music Saved My Life, something like that. But if you're currently watching me now, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe and then go back and watch my, I don't know, 10, 12, I don't know how many videos I've posted. Probably more than that, and I've just forgotten them. But you know, I'm just going to kind of shoot the bull and basically talk to myself and hope somebody out there is listening. So that's what it's all about. I'm playing Saturday, this coming Saturday, at the Flowood Antique Market from 9 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon. And all my money that I make, my tips and such, 100% of it will be going to Children's of Mississippi. I just heard something. Maybe my wife getting home from work. Look at my peephole. Nope, car's not here. It must have been one of the local little squirrels. I have hundreds of squirrels on my property, and I'm not exaggerating. Hundreds of the little rascals. They're in heaven. I picked not the last, but I picked all the blueberries that's going to be picked today. As of today, there'll be no more, so I'm leaving what's left to the birds, the squirrels, the rabbits. We ended up with about 275 gallons of blueberries that we put up. We eat blueberries daily in smoothies, cobbler, pies, about any way you can eat them. We do it. You know what, I think I may be making, yep, I'm making a bit of progress, so I'm going to turn it over now. Hit the other edge a bit. Where was I? I forgot. Oh, talking about the blueberries and giving them to all the animals and how much we love the blueberries. Really don't want to just chat to be chatting. I'm going to work on this a while and then I will turn you back on after a while. Thanks. Okie dokie.